welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we are actually doing a Boxycharm unboxing. This is my first time getting a Boxycharm box, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys the products that I did get inside of it. This is the May Boxycharm, so I'm going to be unboxing everything, and also I'm going to be doing a giveaway of a full Boxycharm box as well. So if you guys want to stay tuned for the giveaway and you also want to see what came in this month's Boxycharm and my very first experience with Boxycharm, go ahead and keep on watching. Have here two of the May Boxycharm boxes. They did send these over to me. I'm not really sure why I received two of them, but that's okay because we can do a giveaway with them. So I'm going to go ahead and gift one of them to you guys in this video. So stay tuned to the end to figure out how to enter the Boxycharm giveaway, but I am going to be unboxing this month's box. This is the month of May. If you guys do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a subscription service where you can actually subscribe for monthly boxes. They are $21 a month, or I believe if you get the full year or you do 3 months, they are a lower price. It comes with 5 items inside. I believe it's 4 to 5 full-size items, which is really awesome because with other subscription services, a lot of times you get sample sizes. With Boxycharm, they are full size. So I'm really excited to get my first box from them. I have thought about signing up for it so many times, so I'm excited to kind of get a little sneak peek of what could come inside each box. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening it. So the first thing it has in here is this little card here that actually talks about each of the items, which is really nice. And it has in here the prices on everything, so it tells you how much each item costs, and also there's a couple different coupons here. There's one for Cover FX and Pure. I'll put the coupons in the description box if you guys are wanting to use those, but this is a cool little thing. That way you know exactly what you're getting, and it also tells you a little bit about the product and how to use it, so that's really cool. First thing in here is this palette from Pure, and it says that the retail on this palette is $30, so that already is more than your box is gonna cost. So here is the inside of the palette. It also has a nice mirror there on the front that says, "You are the sculptor of your own destiny." I really like that. So it has in here 2 highlights and then 2 contour shades. I'm gonna swatch them so you guys can see what they look like. Here are the swatches. Those highlights are absolutely beautiful. I really like Pure's formula of highlights. And then we have 2 different contour shades as well. The far shade looks a little bit dark for me. I don't know if I'll be able to use that one, but the first contour shade definitely will work for me. This one here, Inventor, that one's gonna work. This one I think is a little bit too deep for my skin tone, but I'm definitely gonna be using this highlighters for sure. So this is a nice little palette, and like I said, this is $30, so that's a good value to get in this box. The next item in this box is a blurring primer, and this is from Cover FX, and this retails for $38. This is a full-size primer. I actually haven't ever tried a primer from Cover FX. I've tried a few of I've tried their foundation and I really like it, and then also I love their setting powder. So I'm excited to have actually a primer from them as well. This looks like it has a little bit of a tint to it. And this is supposed to be a blurring primer, which you guys know I love blurring primers to help blur my pores. Definitely blurred out my hand here, and it blended out really nicely. This is a smoothing primer, and I like the consistency. It feels like it's gonna be really nice and really just nice on the skin. So this is the blurring primer, and I'm definitely gonna be giving this a try. I am loving the fact that this came in this box because I am always looking for new primers, and this one feels really nice. Kind of reminds me of the Benefit Professional, so that's one of my absolute favorite primers ever. So to get one of these in the box is really nice. I'm so far pretty impressed. This is a pretty good box so far, so definitely loving this from Cover FX. I will have everything linked down below as well as how you can sign up for a Boxycharm too. Next product in this month's Boxycharm is this Pretty Vulgar eyeliner. So this is a eyeliner, and it's really cool packaging. I've actually heard really good things about this. I believe Laura Lee talks about it quite a bit, where she uses it a lot. So this is in the shade Blacklist, and it is going to be a gel eyeliner. And looking inside, it looks like there is so much product in here. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it looks like the product kind of starts right here. So there's going to be a lot of product, and this is going to be something that I will probably use a bunch of. This retails for $24. Let me swatch it so you guys can see the texture of it, and I'm also curious to see what it looks like, so let me swatch it. I just put it on my Sigma E06 brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch. Okay, yep, it's gonna be pretty black, so that's nice. I always like super black gel liners. It's kind of hard to do, but it looks like it's gonna be a nice consistency, and I love the packaging actually. I like that it has this top. I feel like this is gonna make it not dry out as quick, I think. So definitely love this eyeliner in here. Next in here we have some brushes. So we have 2 different brushes, or actually 4 different brushes. This one is a set. So this one has a set of 3 different brushes. It does say that this retails for $45, so that is pretty pricey for 3 eye brushes. And then also we have this face brush. This is the P12, and it says here that this one retails for, how much is this one? $27. So that's a lot of money worth of brushes. So you get 4 different brushes in this box, which is a really good value. So it looks like you have 2 different eyeliner brushes. I'm not gonna open them because my brush collection is pretty large and I'm not needing any more brushes in my collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably put these aside for a giveaway for you guys. But yeah, it has a spoolie brush and then 2 eyeliner brushes. And then this one here is a face brush. So this is the P12, which looks like to be a powder brush. So that's really cool to get brushes in here. That's definitely something that I haven't gotten really much of in other subscription boxes. So that's really nice. And then the last thing in this month's box is this matte lip gloss. So it is a matte lip gloss. I'm not sure what that means, but this is by Beauty Creations and it's in collaboration with actually Boxycharm. And this one is in the shade Sweetheart. I will swatch it for you guys. I'm kind of curious to see what the formula of this is because it does say matte lip gloss. So I'm not really sure what that means exactly, if it's gonna be a long wearing lip gloss maybe. So I'm gonna swatch it. This is definitely a really pretty shade. It feels really nice. So here is the shade it looks like. So that's a really pretty shade actually. So I will be curious to try this formula out and see how it wears, if it is going to be something that is going to be mattifying or if it's going to be maybe a mattifying gloss. I'm not really sure what that means. So I'll be curious to definitely try that out. This retails for $10. So the price of everything you are getting inside this month's Boxycharm is $174. That is what everything is priced at individually, and you paid the $20 for the box. So it's definitely a really, really good deal for sure. I'm pretty impressed. This is my first time getting a Boxycharm, and I will say that I'm going to use a majority of those products. The only thing that I think I personally won't use are just the brushes. Not to say they're not going to be amazing brushes. They probably are, but I have so many brushes in my collection. That's the only thing from this month's box that I wouldn't use. I'm excited about the primer. Definitely excited about the palette. It looks beautiful. Also, the eyeliner looks really nice, and I'm kind of curious about that lipstick or lip gloss. I'm not really sure how I'm going to feel about that one, but the color looks really pretty. So all in all, this is pretty impressive. I'm pretty impressed with my first Boxycharm, and I'm definitely looking forward to getting more of them, and I think that these are going to be some new maybe favorites of mine. So I'm really excited to get all of these products. Thank you to Boxycharm for sending them over. I'm going to link down below where you guys can sign up if you are wanting to sign up to get your own Boxycharm. I believe the way it works is you get very similar products to other people, so I think you're pretty close to getting what I got in my box, and I think you can still sign up for this month if you guys want to check it out. Like I said, I will link it down below. Let's get started with the giveaway. I'm going to share with you guys the rules for the giveaway. So here is the giveaway box. I actually did open it up just to make sure that it was the same as my box, but everything in my box is the same in this one. So one winner will be winning this box and everything inside of it. I will ship it to you guys. So in this box, you're going to win all 5 products that I had as well. And the giveaway rules will be super simple. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to my channel. I do want this giveaway to be for my subscribers, for the people that support me. So please make sure that you aren't just subscribing just to get the prize. I do a bunch of giveaways here on my channel, and it always just is disheartening when you see people just kind of entering and showing love just to win giveaways. I want this to be for my supportive subscribers, so make sure that you guys subscribe to enter. Also, you're going to want to click the generator. I'm going to link down below. That is how you will verify that you are subscribed to my channel. There'll also be a few bonus entries you guys can do to get bonus entries for this giveaway. And then the last rule is to comment which item you're most excited to try out from this month's Boxycharm, whether it be the primer, the palette. Mention which one you guys think you would use the most or you would like to win the most. And that is going to be it. That is all you have to do to enter this giveaway. It will be open for 1 month, and I will have it open internationally for you guys. So make sure you guys enter. I hope you enjoyed watching this month's Boxycharm unboxing. Let me know if you guys got similar boxes this month, if you are subscribed to Boxycharm and these are the items that you got. Also, let me know if you guys got different items. I'm super curious to see what products everyone is getting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go. I post new videos every single weekday. We are posting 5 videos a week here on my channel, so make sure you guys subscribe so you do not miss out on any of those videos. Give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you again to Boxycharm for sending these boxes over to me, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, everybody.